How to change your Instagram password on Android. This tutorial shows you how to update it directly from your account settings. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. From there, tap your profile picture at the bottom right. After that, tap the three lines, which takes you directly to Settings. At this point, tap Account Center. Following this, tap Password and Security. From here, tap Change Password. At this stage, enter your current password first. Following this, enter your new password in the field below. From here, confirm it by typing it a second time. At this stage, tap Save or Confirm to apply the change. Once saved, your account will use the new password moving forward, and you may be logged out on other devices, needing you to sign back in with the updated one. That's how you change your Instagram password on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.